Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step setup process for the Linksys RE6800 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're aiming to enhance your home's Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox the Linksys RE6800. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Take out the extender and set aside the other contents. Plug the Linksys RE6800 into an electrical outlet positioned midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure it's close enough to receive a strong signal from your router, yet far enough to effectively extend the network's reach. Once plugged in, the extender's power light will turn on. Wait for a couple of minutes for the device to boot up and the light to stabilize. Next, connect your smartphone or computer to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Look for a network named something like Linksys Extender in your Wi-Fi settings. Connect to it. Open a web browser and type in the address http://extender.linksys.com or http://192.168.1.1 into the address bar. This will take you to the Linksys setup page. You'll be prompted to log in. Use the default login credentials, username is admin and the password is also admin. If you've changed these details before, use your updated credentials. After logging in, the setup wizard will automatically launch. Click Start Setup to initiate the process. The extender will then scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the available options and click Next to proceed with the configuration. Enter the password for your Wi-Fi network and click Next. The extender will connect to your router and start extending your network. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation screen indicating that the setup is complete. The extender will now reboot to apply the settings. Once the extender has rebooted, you can check the extended network by connecting to the newly extended Wi-Fi network name, which is usually your original network name with _ext added.